So the free-flowing earring design reveal is finally here. Yay! So here we are back to finish the free-flowing design earring tutorial that we did. So we had a part 1. I don't believe we had a part 2 of this one, but I want to show you what the finished designs came out looking like, and they are all super gorgeous as well. And I love the fluid designs of these. I'm going to hold them up. I did go ahead and put the backs on them, and some of them are over there drying because I wanted this to be a one-part video. So these are my favorite. They are so super cute. I love how petite they are. I don't know, something about that is just really cute to me. So they are really sweet and dangly. I'm gonna go really fast. These I think are super cute as well. Look at those. So super cute and little. They were kind of hard to get the holes in and to get the holes in straight, but I think they came out really nice. These are probably one of my favorites too because I love the browns and how the brown shades turned out. Look how gorgeous. Oh, so fabulous and phenomenal. The shades are beautiful. These are really pretty too. These remind me of mochas and chocolates and like a delicious latte. So I love those, a latte, how cute they turned out. Look at these. These probably aren't my favorites because I don't love pink and purple together, but I think they came out really pretty. And when I was painting the back blue, some of the paint bled over, so it made it look like a frame. So I do love how that turned out. I think those look great. These remind me of sherbet. Very beautiful. Pretty. And these are super cute. So I did all types. I did post backs, hanging. We did clip-ons because I found out a lot. And even I already knew this from my past experience that a lot of people may have pierced ear holes, but maybe they don't like wearing pierced earrings, and or they just want clip-ons. Maybe they don't have pierced ears. So I love how all the flat back cabochons came out. Super cute. And then I did, so these are like post backs, but they're small. So I did some smaller ones as well, just for people that don't like huge earrings. So I feel like by making almost 50 pairs of earrings, because if you saw the last video I just posted, then you'll see that those were the color block earrings. I think there were at least over 20 pairs of those. Very pretty. And so some of these I didn't have to, I'm gonna show you right quick. So these, notice they have a shine on them. So I used the 3D Dimensional Magic, the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. But notice that with these, they don't have that shine. They have like a natural shine. That's because I used fabric paint that I showed in the tutorial, and it dries with a gloss, which I think is phenomenal. So then you don't have that extra step. So these are still drying, but this is a clip-on pair. And again, these are the free-flowing designs that we had done. These are still drying as well. But that way, for each one that I had in a similar color family, we have posts, we have clip-ons, and we have hanging. So I think that's really cool. I know I'm going fast. I just don't want this video to be so super long like a lot of my videos are. Super cute. I did those in reverse. I think that's a cute idea. Really sweet. That's a post back pair. So I do have a live show coming up soon. That's a post back pair. They're gonna sit flat to the ear. And then we have 2 more. And super, super cute. And I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what they all look like together. But I think these are gorgeous. Okay, so look how great they turned out. Oh my gosh, I felt like it took forever to finish all these earrings. But I think they turned out so fabulous, and they're gonna go over so well during the sale. That's probably my least favorite pair. I think they're kind of ugly, but everything isn't for everybody. I just personally didn't like them. These are super cute. The littles down here on the bottom, I think they're adorable. So super cute. And again, out of all of them, my favorite pair is those. I don't know why. But anyway, make yours, make some money, consider a fundraiser, make you some extra cash. You can do it. God bless you guys. Talk to you soon.